everyone, I'm Geraldine Siotor from BSHM1C and I will demonstrate 7 common factors causing breakage in FMEA services.
Do not stock glasses. Only China wares can be stocked using decoy system. Avoid handing glasses in bouquet. Instead, place them in a tray and keep them away from sticking to each other. Next, never put cutleries inside the glass. Put them in their appropriate containers. Next, never overload bar or food trays. Carry just enough to avoid crowding. Next, never dump glasses into sink. Place them directly into divider or glass racks. Never put hot water in a chilled or cold glass and vice versa. Also, never put hot water in any glass or container that is not heat resistant. Next, never heat any chilled cold bowl or glass in a microwave oven. Scooping ice with the glass. Use appropriate ice scooper. Next, don't use knives for opening cans. Instead, use can opener. Never stock glasses.